Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will study Chapter 8 Rectangle. Chapter 8 Rectangle from Art and Activity Skillbook. Take out your yellow color book. Take out your yellow color book fast. Now, tell me what is rectangle? Rectangle is in shape. Then shape. Let's study this with an example. What is this? This is notebook. This is notebook and notebook is in rectangle shape. Notebook is in rectangle shape. This is rectangle shape. This is rectangle and notebook is also in this rectangle shape. All sides are equal. This is equal with this and this equal with this. I hope you all understand this rectangle. Now color the rectangle neatly. Take out your crayons fast. Take out your crayons fast. And take out your green color. Take out your green color. And start doing with me. Slowly and neatly. Slowly and neatly. Start doing green color with me. I hope you all are doing. All kids loves to do coloring now. Then do it fast and neatly. Do it fast and neatly. Like this. Ma'am will see. Do it neatly. Do it. Again, we will revise. Which color is this? This is green color. This is green color. And green color are of two types. Dark green and light green. Dark green and light green. This is light green. Now all of you understand what is rectangle? Do it neatly. All of you are enjoying. Do it fast. Like this. This. Fast. Fill the gap. All of you fill the gaps. Do it fast. Do it fast and neatly. Do it fast. We have completed our green color. And again, tell me which color is this? Green color. Which color is this? Green color. Complete it fast. All of you have completed? Okay. I hope you all are enjoyed. Happy learning. See you soon. Bye-bye.